In a previous video, I criticized the faster-than-light gears from the perspective of relativity. According to relativity, objects with mass cannot go faster than light. The comments on the original video and many YouTube videos and blogs that reinterpreted the video claimed that it would take more energy than the energy of the entire universe to turn these gears. If you understand relativity, you know that doesn't make sense, but I got a comment on my video saying relativity was proven wrong decades ago. So stop being anti-science. Who proved it? When? Why hasn't that person won a Nobel Prize yet? If there is a published paper on this, I will close this channel, I promise. Here's my promise again. If there is a paper that says that special relativity is wrong, I will close this channel right away. No personal blog rants, please. If there's another YouTube video that says special relativity is wrong, I'll debunk it too. No more fake papers on message boards. If it's in a peer-reviewed scientific journal, I'll take it down. You do realize that blogs and the like are not proper citations, and I'm criticizing these myths as someone who has studied science. And you call me anti-science, which in context is more pseudoscience than non-science. Here's what he claimed again. Relativity is wrong. It was proven wrong decades ago. So don't do pseudoscience. Let's use common sense. If someone proved that relativity was wrong, how could we not know? It's a paradigm shift. It would be the greatest research achievement of the 21st century. It would be published in a top journal like Nature or Science. It would be all over the media. The author of the paper would have won a Nobel Prize, or at least been shortlisted. But did you ever see the news? If you saw it on someone's personal blog, the probability that they are right converges to 1. Call me anti-science, but instead of wrong, I said the probability that it's wrong converges to 1. I'm sure some people will hear that and say, it's AI. If you know statistics, you know that's a term used in null hypothesis testing. We haven't gone to the moon yet. The American Apollo story is a fabrication. Yes, it's a famous conspiracy theory. We've heard it so many times that it's nothing new, but here's the kicker. It's that the people who make these claims have evidence for them, and they really believe them. Amazingly, there are even people who claim that the Earth is not round. We're not talking about the 15th century, we're talking about the year 2024. There are quite a few similar claims on YouTube, and they are believed. The funny thing is that most people can be persuaded, just like the German people were persuaded by Hitler. People are very gullible, and it's very easy to stop thinking rationally, especially if you have other people arguing with you. I'd like to put you in a debate with someone who says, the Earth is not round, and someone who says, man hasn't been to the moon yet. Oh, and we've recently added a third group to the mix. Relativity is wrong. Wouldn't it be fun to have a debate between the three of them? Actually, the original idea for the video was to simply explain the content of Nick Bostrom's paper, Are We Living in a Simulation? There are plenty of videos that summarize the paper in 3 lines, but few that present the paper from the researcher's point of view. For now, let's hold off on the presentation. First, the superstitions I mentioned earlier. I'm going to do a video on the theory of perpetual motion, NASA conspiracy theories, and the claim that relativity is wrong. There are a lot of amazing people in the world, as I just found out. It's very interesting. Oh, and I'll also have a theoretical critique of infinite gear up soon, where I'll show you the special relativity formula in action, and we'll have a great discussion. I'll try to incorporate the comments as much as possible. Rebuttals to my arguments are welcome, as are new opinions. I'd also really appreciate it if you could point out any mistakes. And of course, subscriptions, likes, and shares are very welcome. Until next time. Subscribe it.